YouTube, here comes coaster 653. $3,000. Nice! Oh! And here comes cab car number 2303. Oh, 3001 and there we now. The overtrain just assisted over there, and now here comes another train right now, and there's an F59PHI on the front, which I think I knew it was the F59PHI, and here it comes. Look. Look down here. Stop the foolishness. And 2309. Well, anyway. See right there? Here it comes. And it's 3001 on the point, I guess. Oh well, here it comes. Oh, anyways, here's my boss favorite. It's 3001. Yep, here it is. The coaster out of the station, and F59PHI 3001 doing that. And here's 2401 right past her car. And 2309. Right, there goes that train north.
Well, anyways, we just saw 655 and 660 and 653, although 653 is all the video. I wonder what will be leading this. Anyways, here it comes. And today is just a great day. Sounds like another F59PHI. Hey, I wonder what will be leading this. Hey, here it comes. Sounds like 3001's coming. This must be 3001. That's for you, Crazy Taxi 1000 and Coaster 3001. Here's 3001. Wow, that was very surprising. I saw Family Pottery 411. Anyways, Philip's full on got off that train. Anyways, well, tomorrow. Anyways, here it comes. It looks like an F59PHI is on the point. Anyways, let me zoom out. Anyways, here it comes.
Track 2 or track 1?
It's coming on track 10. I wonder, is it 3002 or what? 3001. That's for you, Chris Taxi 1000. It comes to 3001. Yeah, there we go. Oh, like 3001. Yeah, these connect all 7. That, the public will look on. That's right there. Too bad point your weekend. Anyways, it's card point 305. One. Here comes.
Coming back from Mexico, blew up the engine. That was that. But I love that. Just strip down. If someone dark in the car, you just get a hose and spray it out.
Spray it
There was
out.
nothing. That happened one time. Someone was car sick.
Oh, really?
Well, it's like I'd be designated driver because I could drive all these people. And then my one roommate, she fell asleep and woke up.
My roommates, this is like this post. It was actually on Thursday. This is like me in school wrote a personal paper for my class. Sure, my teacher told my peer deck, upperclassmen and freshmen about my discography. She contacted her former photo teacher, set up a meeting for the two of us. And then it's down to like, yes, introduce me to the director of the one that